Okay, so we got the board together, and now we need to test it. And I've got so with the Raspberry Pi Pico, it's kind of an interesting thing to test. Let me flip over to display for the second here, and to test it, I'm going to use this. This is a really interesting program, the Tiny Shell for Pico with VI and C compiler, and it's going to be a binary we can run. It's GitHub under lurk 101/pshell. It's kind of a really interesting program. So I mean, I go to the code. I think I've got things blown up a little too big. Let me shrink this down. Let me go back here. Oh, pshell reversion 1.2.17 is the latest. If I just click on that, here's the tar file. So I've clicked on that and then uncompressed it, and here's the things. And all we need to do is take this, I believe it's the UF2 file, and download it to, that's UART, that's USB. We want the USB one because we want to talk to it through the USB interface. So I just need to take this guy and copy it to the thumb drive if it appears. So if I take my cable and I hold the boot button down on this, and then I plug this thing in, you can see that we've got a device that has appeared here. And I'm going to say, take this, and I'm going to say, copy. Then I'm going to take to the RP2, and I'm going to say, paste item, and it should go away, and it should give me an error message that you disconnected it without disk not properly ejected. Okay, fine. That's what I expected. Okay, so let me get rid of that error message over there. So that means that this thing should be recording now. Let me get a text window, or not recording, but it should be a serial port now, if I can find it. It says that it is. Okay, so if I go to, I'm on a Mac. Windows does, you have to use some sort of terminal emulator type thing. TTY star. And that is going to be, let's see, I'm going to guess it's this guy, the TTY USB modem. So I'm going to say screen slash dev slash, oops, that's not what I want. TTY modem, like that. Let's try this. Flash file system, that's a really good sign. Okay, so here's our commands, and I could say vi test.c. Oh, mount. Error mount. There's a way of doing all of this. I'll have to go back and look it up, but obviously everything seems to be functioning. Now, I haven't tested any of the lights, any of the other stuff. I'll leave that as an assignment for you. But obviously, it's up and running. So that is all of them.